How to turn off blue ticks on WhatsApp 2026. Do you feel pressured to reply the moment someone sees you have read their WhatsApp message? Those blue ticks tell people exactly when you open their message, but the good news is you can turn them off completely in just a few seconds. Let me show you exactly how right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are covering how to turn off blue ticks on WhatsApp in 2026. This works on both Android and iPhone, and I will also cover what changes once you turn them off. Let us go step by step. Step 1. First, let us understand what the ticks actually mean so everything makes sense. A single gray tick means your message was sent to WhatsApp servers. Two gray ticks means the message was delivered to the other person's phone. Two blue ticks means the person has opened and read your message. Turning off blue ticks stops the sender from seeing that final blue stage when you read their messages. Step 2. Turning off blue ticks on Android. Open WhatsApp and tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings, then tap Privacy. Tap the slider next to Read Receipts to turn it off. That is it, blue ticks are now disabled on your Android device. Step 3. Turning off blue ticks on iPhone. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone and tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap Privacy, then scroll down and find Read Receipts. Tap the Read Receipts slider, making sure it is in the off position. Blue ticks are now fully turned off on your iPhone. Step 4. What about WhatsApp web and desktop? The blue tick setting is controlled by your phone. If you disable Read Receipts on your phone, the same setting automatically applies to WhatsApp web and WhatsApp desktop. The setting syncs across all devices linked to your WhatsApp account. So you only need to change it once on your phone and it covers everything. Step 5. Here is the important trade-off you need to know before turning this off. When Read Receipts are off, other people will no longer see two blue ticks when you read their individual messages. However, you will also lose the ability to see others' Read Receipts too. It works both ways, you cannot have one without the other. Step 6. Be aware of the exceptions. This setting does not apply to group chats or voice messages where read receipts will always remain visible. Blue ticks in group chats will still appear even if you have turned off Read Receipts in your settings. Pro tip: if you only want to read one specific message privately without turning off blue ticks permanently, turn on airplane mode before opening the message. This disconnects your device from the internet and prevents WhatsApp from sending Read Receipts. You can then read the message, and the blue tick will only appear after you switch airplane mode off and open the app again. This is perfect when you need a quick private read without changing any settings permanently, and that is it. You now know exactly how to turn off blue ticks on WhatsApp on Android and iPhone, how the setting syncs across all your devices, what trade-offs come with turning it off, and a handy airplane mode trick for reading messages privately without changing any settings. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips. Drop a comment below and tell me, do you prefer blue ticks on or off? I read every single one. See you in the next video.